Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a blog in Hostinger website builder. By the end of this video, you will have a professional blog created with the help of Hostinger website builder. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on websites. Here we will see all the websites that we have created on Hostinger. We are going to create a new blog. So we are going to click on add website. We will select Hostinger website builder from here. I want to use pre-made templates, so I will select pre-made templates from here. Here we will see the blog category, so we will select it. You can scroll down and find out which template that best suits your need. I like this template, so I am going to select template from here. So our template is now selected and now we are in the editor mode. So this is the complete website where we have a header, the main heading of our blog post, a section for the shop, and also a section for the Instagram. If you want to edit anything from here, let's say you want to change the logo, just select the logo, click on replace image, click on upload file, select the logo from your computer and click on open. And in this way your logo will be changed. And from here you can also change the logo width. You can increase or decrease the size of your logo very easily. You can change anything from here very easily. After that, if you want to edit the blog post, from the left menu click on blog, and here are the blog posts that are currently published on our website. Now to add a new post, click on add new post from the bottom. You can use Hostinger AI for your blog post, or you can skip it and write by yourself. I want to skip it. And now here you can add your blog content. If you want to change the title, just click on edit blog header. You can change your post title from here and you can change your post description from here. After that you can add images to your blog. Just select it, click on edit image, upload an image from your computer and change it. After that you can post content here. Once you are done doing all the settings for your blog, from the top just click on go live. If you have already purchased a domain, click on change domain, search for it and then select it from here. Or you can purchase a new domain from here to connect it with your blog. So if you click on view site, your blog will open with the temporary domain. So this is the blog that we have just created with the help of Hostinger website builder. So this is how you can create a blog in Hostinger website builder. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.